Okay, so I want to solve these questions. Previously we were live and some of you couldn't join, so we want to solve these questions. And so we have the first one to be x times x equals 27, then x times y equals 9. Right, so with this particular question, the first one, the x times x, so equals 27. Obviously, so you have to find the square root of 27. So x equals square root of 27. And 27 is not a perfect square number, so therefore you can expand it so that it becomes a set. Right, so here to be root of 9 by root of 3. So this x equals this 3 root 3. Right, then to find the y, we have xy equals 9. That's x times y equals 9. Right, so what you have to do is to square everything. So x squared times y squared equals 9 squared. Right, so here remember we have x squared to be 27, so replace it here. 27 times y squared equals what? This is 81. Right, 9 squared 81. Right, so your y squared will be 81 on 27. That is, you divide both sides by 27. So 27 here, 1 here, 3. So y squared equals 3. So this give us root of what? 3. So your x is what? 3 root 3 can be positive and negative, because you find it there. Then this also positive or negative. Anytime you introduce a root what sign. Right. Now we want to solve the second one. The second question here. We have 3 exponent x plus 3 exponent x, and that gives us 3 exponent 5. So this radical equation here, we need to factorize our 3 exponent x. This will give us 1, because 1 by 3 exponent x will give us the same thing. So plus this also 1, plus here leaving us 1 equals 3 exponent 5. That is the factorization here, when you take 3 exponent x out. So this will be 3 exponent x times 3 as 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 exponent 5. Right, so here you have 3 exponents x plus 1. Because you are multiplying, use the first law of ABCs to solve that. So this 3 exponent 5. Then, if the bases are the same, you equate the exponent. So x plus 1 equals 5. Then you transfer the 1 minus 1, so your x is equal to what? 4. X is equal to 4. Right. Then, next question is question 3 here. We have 15 on 3 on 5 on 5. So here, how are you going to work it? Are you going to take it 15 divided by 3 on 5, or 15 on 3 divided by 5? Right. So the right way of working it is 15 divided by 3 on 5. Right. So you have 15 times, this is 5 on 3. So 3 here, 1 here. You have 5. That's 5 by 5, which is 25. Which is 25. As simple as that. Yeah. Then question 4. It is also very simple. Question 4, we have 3 exponents 99 minus 3 exponents 100, all divided by negative 2. Right, so here we have to work with factorization. We factorize out 3 exponents 99. Here, this side we left 1. And bring your minus 99. Here we left 3 exponents what? 1. Because you are multiplying, if you add the 99 plus 1, you get your 100 back. Good. Divided by the negative 2 here. Right, so 3 exponents 99. This will give us negative 2. That's 1 minus 3. Of course, 3 exponent 1 is 3. So 1 minus 3 will give you negative 2. So divided by the negative 2 here. This cancel this. You get your answer to be 3 exponents 9 or 99. Right. Good. Then we have the next question, the log question here, question 5. So we have log x base 3 plus log 2 base y equals 2. Then we have 3 exponents x minus 2 exponents y equals 23. Right, so this is very simple. What we have to do is that to expand this one, so log x base 3 y base 2 equals 2. So expand this one. So this is what? 1 plus 1. Then the 1 will be for the log of x base 3. The other one will be for what? The log of y base 2. So we have log x base 3 equals 1. Then log y base 2 equals 1. So using the laws of logarithm, we have x equals what? 3 exponent 1. So x will be 3 exponent 1. Then the y also will be what? Exponent 1 equals what? Y. Right, so here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to what? 2. That's 3 exponent 1 is 3. 2 exponent 1 is what? 2. If you put it into this, you get the answer to be correct. That is 3 exponents. Here is 3 minus 2 exponents. Y is what? 2. Should give us 23. So 3 exponent 3, that is 27. And this 4, giving us 23. Meaning that our workings are what? Correct. Right, our workings are perfectly correct. Good. So I'm late for work. I'll add this simple equation to this one as homework so that you try it. Then you put the comment answers in the comment section.